Today we're going to talk about categories, but before we begin, ask yourself, do you know what a category is? Do you know what it means when we put something in a category? The definition of category is a group of people or things that have particular shared characteristics. Categories can help us sort, understand, and compare things. Let's take a look at these cards. What do you notice about them? What do you notice about the shapes on them? How can we sort these into categories? Take a moment and think. We could sort them by color, having a green category and a purple category. We can also sort them by shape, making a category for triangles, a category for circles, and a category for squares. It's important to remember that these can be in the same category because they are the same shape, but they are different because they're different sizes and different colors. Now that we've practiced sorting into categories with shapes and colors, let's discuss, what other categories do we see every day? Two common examples are animals and food. There's different species of animals and there's different types of food. So, when we're comparing food, we can group it into type of food. For example, a grape is a fruit, while pizza is a grain because it's made out of bread. We can also make groupings out of animals. The bird is an animal that lives in the sky, while the fish is an animal that lives in the water. So let's review. Why are categories important? What are some ways that we can sort to understand the world around us? Take a moment and write down your thoughts. Categories are important because they can help us understand the world around us. They can help us identify things when we may not know what they are. They can also help us compare two different things on a variety of factors. It can help us understand the purpose of something, the function of something, and where that thing comes from. To practice your understanding of categories, I challenge you to do this. Go outside and pick some plants and find different ways to sort them into categories. That can be based on size, type of plant, color of plant. The choice is yours. Practice sorting and see what categories you can come up with.